45 days speaking challenge. Third day of speaking challenge was describe your food. Describe your favorite food. Then whenever we will describe food, we will describe food according to pattern, according to template. Like first we will cover taste. How is the taste of food? Whenever we will describe taste, we will use some patterns, some adjectives like delicious. We can say the sabji puri was absolutely delicious. And another adjective flavorful, full of rich flavors. The curry was so flavorful that I didn't need any extra spices. Another adjective is spicy, hot with spices. I enjoy spicy food especially when it has a rich aroma. And next, mild, when taste is not too spicy or too bland. The dal was mild but very comforting. And tangy. The chutney had a tangy taste which brightened the whole dish. Slightly sour. Sweet, sugary taste. The dessert was sweet and creamy. And next adjective we can use savory, salty, rich, not sweet. I prefer savory snacks over sweet ones. Rich, strong, deep, heavy flavor. The gravy was rich and perfectly cooked. Aromatic, has a strong and pleasant smell. The aromatic spices made the dish irresistible. And another aftertaste, we will describe the texture of the recipe, texture of the dish. Whenever we will describe texture, we will use some different kind of adjective like crispy. The puris were crispy and tasted amazing when hot. Crunchy, makes a crunch sound. The salad was fresh and crunchy. Soft, easy to chew. The idli were soft and fluffy. And fluffy, light and airy. The puris turned out fluffy and perfectly puffed. Creamy, smooth and rich. The pasta sauce was creamy and delicious. Tender, soft but not mushy. The vegetable were tender but well cooked. Okay. And next adjective we can use for texture is juicy. When any recipe fruit or something full of juice, we can eat juicy, full of liquid. The fruit were fresh and juicy. Smooth, silky texture. The soup had a smooth and velvety texture like this. And next, when we will describe taste, we have to describe taste, texture. And third, we can describe about appearance. How is the appearance of food looks? For appearance, we can use some adjective like golden brown. The pakoras were fried to a perfect golden brown. And colorful, the salad cooked colorful and inviting. Fresh, vegetable looked fresh and bright. Steaming hot, the biryani was served steaming hot. Appetizing, looks tasty. The plate looked so appetizing that I couldn't wait to eat. Garnished, the dish was garnished with coriander leaves. And next, we can describe aroma, smell of the food. Smell of the food is also very important if we are so if we are so good, if we have a taste, and we have a taste to describe recipe, because everyone everyone eat food, you know, but everyone don't have their nature, their habit to describe food and praise food. They just eat and keep silence, but praising the food is absolute good quality. Whoever cook food, if you will not praise, he or she will not feel happy. Then we will describe aroma. And aroma, we can describe fragrant, pleasant smell. The rice was fragrant and lightly spiced. Smoky aroma. The paneer tikka had a delicious smoky aroma. Whenever we cook any food in direct heat, like we can say what is bati chokha, paneer tikka, like this, and freshly cooked smell. The freshly cooked smell made everyone hungry. Whenever we cook food and fragrance smell spread in everywhere home, we feel appetizing. And next we can describe emotions, personal connections, like comforting. The dish is comforting and remind me to home. Some dishes we used to cook home frequently, and we have a taste, like some have a taste to eat dal chawal, sabji roti, puri, idli, dosa. They can eat that food daily. Comforting, nostalgic. Eating this sabji puri makes me feel nostalgic. My comfort food, khichdi is my comfort food on tired days. Whenever we are not in mood to cook anything, we can easily cook khichdi, porridge, dal chawal, and that is my comfort food. We can cook it easily. Family favorite. This is a family favorite. We eat it in often together. Most of time we cook aloo paratha, paneer paratha, or raita chawal. These are our family foods. Whatever we want to eat with our family brings back memories. This dish brings back memories of childhood. Sometimes we eat something and we remember our childhood days. We used to eat with our cousins, relatives, etc. And after that, we have some sentences and some phrases to describe food. Like, it has a perfect blend of spices. The curry has the perfect blend of spices. The flavors are well balanced. The flavor are well balanced and not too spicy. The combination is satisfying and filling. The combination of sabji and puri is satisfying and filling. The taste, it tastes best when served hot. The puri tastes best when served hot. The the texture adds to the overall experience. The crunchy puri textures adds to the overall experience. Every bite is enjoyable. Every bite of this dish is enjoyable. And this is template. You can describe any type of food, any favorite recipe by using these templates. And this was the our day third of English speaking challenge note. If you like it, you can go through it and revise as many times as you want. Thank you so much.